This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Bashir. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. The post-CPI headache for the U.S. dollar is showing no signs of receding as speculation about monetary policy divergence continues to intensify, with the euro being the biggest winner in this latest phase. The single currency briefly surged to a 17-month peak of $1.1275 earlier today, as investors upped their bets that the Federal Reserve will slash rates next year, while any cuts by the European Central Bank will likely be more modest. However, investors appear to be ignoring the fact that the U.S. economy has a lot more momentum than the Eurozone economy, which is struggling to grow right now. The July policy meetings could therefore be more significant for the euro than for the dollar, should ECB officials change their tune and acknowledge the risks to growth, as well as the recent progress in bringing down inflation. There were some hints of that from Governing Council member Ignacio Visco today, who suggested that inflation could fall to the 2% target faster than that projected in the ECB's June forecasts. His comments took the steam out of the euro's rally, wiping out most of its gains for the day. The Japanese yen has also rallied sharply lately amid some murmurs that the Bank of Japan could tweak its yield curve control policy when it meets next week. Ahead of those central bank decisions, investors will get one last clue on what to expect from the Fed from U.S. retail sales figures coming up at 12:30 GMT. Riskier currencies are still trying to recover from Monday's unimpressive GDP readings out of China that pointed to an ongoing slowdown. A fresh set of policies to boost consumption were announced in Beijing today, but the measures didn't go far enough as far as markets were concerned. Asian equities were also unable to receive much of a lift from China's latest efforts to shore up growth, and shares in Europe were mixed too. Wall Street's major indices ended Monday in positive territory, though futures were last trading flat. Today's focus will be on the remaining bank earnings, with Bank of America and Morgan Stanley set to report their results before the opening bell before Netflix and Tesla begin the round of tech earnings tomorrow. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.